Hi, I'm going to make chicken wings today. It's requested by my friend Carrie. Ingredients, one package of chicken wings, and I got small portion. But you can get big package for like bigger gatherings or when you're bringing it to party. And then soy sauce and mirin. Mirin is called sweet cooking rice seasoning. Usually you can find these in smaller bottle in your local grocery stores. I use these a lot, so I buy big size. And for soy sauce, I recommend Japanese soy sauce. I'm a Japanese, so I'm so used to with Japanese soy sauce taste. At the store, there's Chinese soy sauce too, but they are a little bit different taste. I would recommend like Kikkoman is a big name, and you usually can find those in the store. And then we need ginger. We don't need this much, but ginger. That's about it. Oh, I forgot to tell you, but I need a large size Ziploc bag. And bowl or some tray. I got this one. I will place the Ziploc bag here. I will grate some ginger. So this is already washed. Smaller ginger piece. Peel the skins. I have this cute little grater. Any kind of grater is fine. So I'm going to grate ginger. And put ginger in this plastic bag. And then soy sauce and mirin for same amount. So I would say with this amount of chicken, I will start with 1 tablespoon each. So 1 tablespoon soy sauce in the bag, and then 1 tablespoon of mirin in the bag. Maybe I need more, but anyway. Then just put chickens in the bag. And today's package I got, the chicken wings were already cut, but sometimes they are all connected and with one more wings. So then it's fine too. You just need to cut and separate those pieces. Okay. So, and I'm going to wash my hand now. When you are cooking, you are touching meat, chickens, pork, beef, meat. Make sure you wash your hand with soaps in between. Okay? Now, soy sauce and mirin and grated ginger is in the bag. Let's see. This was okay. I will add half more tablespoon of soy sauce and mirin. I don't think we need 2 tablespoons, so I will just add half more. Depends on the amount of chicken wings. You can just do whatever amount of soy sauce and mirin, and you don't want to do too much because you don't really need that much to marinate, but you want to have enough. So, but always same amount of soy sauce and mirin, and then kind of massage it. See, now I feel like it was a little too much, but it's okay. So I use some tray or bowl or something underneath because sometimes these bones or something scratch the bag and it leaks. So you don't want to have leak in your refrigerator, so that's why I put it here. Okay, and then I will put this in the refrigerator at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes. I will leave in the refrigerator. Okay? Now I marinated this chicken wings for about 30 minutes. Now it's time to bake it. So I preheated the oven for 350 Fahrenheit, so it's preheated. And the baking tray, and I lined with aluminum foil because it's easy to clean. Okay, then I will just put these chicken wings. Let's put this in the oven. And I will bake it for about 30 minutes. Now it's been 30 minutes, so I will check the chicken. And how I check the chicken, I will poke with fork nearby bone. So like this big piece, and I will just poke it near the bone. And if it's oh, see, this one is a little red, bloody yet. So I would cook this one more. Okay, so I baked 5 more minutes. I baked a total of 35 minutes. So I poked the fork near the bone, and if clear juice comes out, that is a sign it's done. Okay. When you start eating, and if it's still kind of pink or something, just put in microwave. So here is my chicken wings. It's very easy and simple. When you don't have mirin, you can do without mirin. Just soy sauce and grated ginger will be great. And also, I think you can cook in a pan too instead of oven. Okay, enjoy. Next, we will have taste tester. Oh, you're here already eating?
Yep. It's very good, Kyoko.
Thank you.